Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a white platinum 2016 Ford Escape Titanium, stock number A7258. Starting up front, you have factory fog lights. The hood is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is an alloy rim that is wrapped in a Michelin Latitude tire. Inside, you have a tan leather upholstery, which is in fantastic condition. There is seating for 2 in the front row, and you have seating for 3 in the second row, making this a 5-passenger Escape. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. There is a dual exhaust here. You have backup sensors on the bumper as well as a backup camera. And there's also a power liftgate, so it's as easy as the push of one button to get that trunk open. As you can see, it's very clean inside. That second row seating folds into a 60-40 split to give you lots of extra space when needed. And the reason that I'm showing you this Ford today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. There are keypad entry buttons on the driver's side door. On the inside of the door, you have buttons here for memory seating, as well as your usual power amenities. There are power lumbar adjustments and carpeted floor mats. Taking a step inside to the left of the steering wheel here, you have your cruise control buttons, and then to the right side, you have audio controls. There is a push button start here. Coming to the driver's side visor, you've got HomeLink garage door opener buttons. And then down to the center, you've got a great touchscreen display here. This is where your backup camera shows. There is a CD player along with an AM/FM radio. You can control your climate from here. There is a Sony premium audio system. Underneath of that, you do have dual climate controls. This is a 6-speed automatic transmission with a 1.6-liter 4-cylinder engine, and highway mileage that's going to get you around 29 miles per gallon. Coming down further, you do have dials here for your heated front row seating. If you'd like to get more information on this Escape or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com, where you'll also receive a free vehicle history report provided to you by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.